everybody. My name is Edmond Peggy. I hold the role of data analyst in our team project work. We are working as a team called Smart Farming, and then we are working on the product AI-assisted Biochar Optimizer. It is a product that is going to help us to run quick analysis on our soil needs. Then it will recommend us the type of biochar that we apply to our soil to get the optimum yield. So going forward, you will get to know more detail of the work we are doing. So, our team, we are made up of six team members, and then we have Ameko David Adam, project manager, Abaya Israel, product manager, Videla Michelle, UX researcher, Apia Eugene, US researcher, and then myself, data analyst, Caleb, UI/US designer. Okay, this is the overview of our presentation. We have the introduction, our user persona, traditional versus AI optimized biochar comparison, and then also an impact of AI assisted biochar optimizer, about the solution that we are developing to incorporate in our next review, activities to be funded, summary, message to our investors, and then takeaways. Farmers introduction. Farmers across Africa and the global south are not only facing declining soil, but also they are losing vital soil to erosion, nutrient loss, and climate stress. Although biochar offers a proven climate smart solution, the potential of it remains untapped due to absence of localized data-driven application advice. So you can imagine a tool that doesn't do just a guesswork. It learns from your soil, your crop, your climate conditions, and it will deliver precise biochar application guide just with your phone and through the touching of a button. That is what the team have built. Introducing this AI-assisted biochar optimizer, a smart, scalable, and farmer-friendly innovation that transforms raw data into real results. Your yield will be improved, and then you will cut down greenhouse gases emissions. User persona. Amina, a 42 years old farmer, female farmer in the northern Ghana. She cultivates 2 hectare plot of maize and sorghum to feed the family and sell surplus at the market site. She relies on hand tools and a rented animal drawn plow with limited access to soil testing or extension services. What are her goals? She wants to improve her soil fertility to safeguard future harvests. She wants to increase yield enough to cover school fees and other household expenses, adopt sustainable practices that withstand seasonal droughts. Challenges that Amina face. She face uncertainty by HR use, knowledge gap, resource constraint. She cannot afford repeated field trial or consultant fees to decide which kind of biochar fits her soil. Knowledge gap. She lacks the lab analysis and agronomy expertise to try different application methods until she decides on which one to apply. So she either under applies or she over applies. Uncertain biochar use. She's unsure which biochar type to apply or what rate to apply it to benefit her soil needs. So the impact of this problem on Amina is that her soil continues to degrade, leaving her field less productive every year. Yields just above subsistence, limiting her ability to invest in other areas to improve her farm output. Environmental stress like heavy rain or drought compound the uncertainty around biochar's benefits. How is the AI assisted biochar going to help Amina in this situation? By Amina being able to get her soil parameters with her phone, and she will input this soil parameter into the software, which will customize the biochar usage and timing plan for her fields, so she can competently apply, boost her yield, and then build her more resilient soil without having to rely on the guesswork that they have been doing. So this is traditional versus AI, as I said, Biochar Optimizer. And you can see the result that in all this thematic area, greenhouse gas emission, yield increase, climate change mitigation, soil health improvements, it is seen that the AI biochar is having greater impact as compared to the traditional way of applying biochar without any scientifically proven data otherwise. So this is also another diagram that is showing the impact of AI-assisted biochar on a scale of 1 to 10, and then they are all performing well in all the thematic area. AI biochar is doing very good, and then we would like to bring this innovation to our farmers. About the solution, AI assisted biochar, it is a cloud or movement that will take in farm specific input. Then it will use those models to learn from your soil and then give you a recommendation way to apply your biochar. Why this particular solution? We choose the AI assisted biochar optimizer because it removes the traditional guesswork from biochar application, and then it gives you a precise recommended way to apply your biochar to improve your soil health, to increase your yields, and then to reduce environmental impact in the area of greenhouse gas emissions. This why it will be effective. This approach is effective because it replaces the costly and time-consuming trial and error method that farmers are using. Instead, it will give you data-driven guidance, ensuring optimal usage and timing that boosts yield, enhance soil health, reduce input waste, and then generate verifiable and environmental benefits. These are images from our wireframe design that is going to be in our final product if we have get to put it together as we are planning. So the pain points, we foresee that users in rural areas may have inconsistent internet access, especially during critical moments that field preparation or planting. Many smallholder farmers and even extension agents may lack technical knowledge, making it hard to input accurate data. One of the pain points is also that our farmers they want a way to reduce low yield for their farm outputs. So we are working to make sure that this our product will correct all these issues and then make it comfortable for the farmers to use to increase their farm yields. Summary: the AI-assisted biochar delivers precise farm-specific biochar recommendation. Your soil is going to be restored through this, boost your crop yield, and inputs are going to be cut through this, and then we are going to reduce. Also, farmers' lives are going to be better, and then this is also a scalable business. Then for investors, this is a high margin return for investors. So to you, the investor in this particular, we want you to commit a seed funding around 1 million Ghana cedi to expand data collection and scale the AI assisted biochar by AI assisted Biochar as a pilot. So key takeaways. He has stated Biochar is not just a smarter farming, it's a scalable climate solution in this time that we are sinking climate negative impact. Join us in transforming our spoiled soil into carbon-rich asset that fit for people and then the planet. Let's optimize, let's reduce carbon 1 hectare of our field at a time. So I'll thank everybody for making your time to be here and then to see the good work that we are doing. We thank you and we really appreciate you for that. So after this, I will share this presentation with you and you can have a look at it and then you can come back if you need any clarification and then we are more than happy to take you through that. So thank you all.